Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you will be fine by the grace of Allah. Today we are going to learn transitive and intransitive verbs. Our transitive verb is one that only makes sense if it exerts its action on an object. Transitive verb वो होता है जिसमें कोई भी एक्शन कंप्लीट होता है with the help of an object. More definition of a transitive verb. A transitive verb is one that is used with an object, a noun, phrase, or pronoun that refers to the person or thing that is affected by the action of the verb. A transitive verb is one that is used with an object. Transitive verb वो होता है जो यूज होता है with an object, object के साथ, a noun, noun के साथ, phrase, phrase के साथ और pronoun, pronoun के साथ. That refers to the person जो रेफर करता है person को और thing को that is affected by the action of the verb और इससे क्या होता है action of the verb affected होता है. Now what is an intransitive verb? An intransitive verb is defined as a verb that does not take a direct object. इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब वो होता है जिसको किसी भी डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. ये अपना एक्शन कंप्लीट करता है विदाउट अ डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. वन मोर एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ अ ट्रांजिटिव और intransitive verb. A verb can be described transitive or intransitive based on whether it requires an object to express a complete thought or not. Student, now I have some examples of transitive verbs. You can see two examples on the screen. Number one, Ahmed sent a postcard from America. Here, subject Ahmed, postcard object, sent transitive verb. From America, Ahmed sent a postcard from America. Next sentence, she left the keys on the table. Okay, here we use subject she, object keys, and left is transitive verb. Next sentence, my mom wrote me a letter for my birthday. Here, my mom subject, letter object, wrote transitive verb. My mom wrote me a letter for my birthday. The rabbit ate carrots from the field. Here we use subject the rabbit, carrot as an object, ate transitive verb. Okay. Next sentence, I admire your courage. We use I as a subject, courage as an object, admire as a transitive verb. Next sentence, we need to maintain product quality. We use be as a subject, product as an object, need as a transitive verb. Next sentence, I could not face him today. We use I as a subject, him as an object, and could not as a transitive verb. Next sentence, she loves animals. Now we use she as a subject, animal as objects, loves as a transitive verb. Okay, student. Now I have some examples of in. Okay, what we will read in these sentences. In these examples, sentences intransitive verb will follow a subject and complete an independent clause. In subject भी होगा और काम भी complete होगा, but यहाँ पर object नहीं होगा. Okay, look here. You snowed last night. Here the subject is you and the intransitive verb is snore. Used here in the past tense as the adverb that follows is last night. Look here, you snored last night. But subject क्या है इसमें? Subject you. Intransitive verb क्या है? snore. सेकंड फॉर्म लगी है snore. Here in the past tense और एडवर्ब यहाँ पर हमने यूज किया है लास्ट नाइट और यहाँ पर इस सेंटेंस में कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है। ओके, तो ये जो है इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब की एक एग्जांपल है। ओके, नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, द स्ट्रीट लाइट्स ग्लो अलोंग द रिवर बैंक लुकिंग लाइक ऑरेंज ऑर्ब्स suspended in the fog. Glow is the intransitive verb. Look here, the street light glows. Glow, street light used as a subject. Glow along in the river bank, looking like orange orbs suspended in the fog. तो यहाँ पर हमने glow use किया as a intransitive verb. Okay. Next, intransitive verb. I jog around the neighborhood every day. Jog. Jog does not need a direct object, okay, making it an intransitive verb. I jog, we use I as a subject, jog as an intransitive verb, around the neighborhood as adverbs. तो यहाँ पर हम देख रहे हैं कि jog को किसी तरह के डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट की ज़रूरत नहीं है, so it is a sentence of intransitive verb. Next sentence is the baby was crying. The baby was crying. Here we use baby as a subject, crying as intransitive verb, and the sentence is completed without an object. So it is an example of intransitive verb. The next, they laughed uncontrollably. They laughed uncontrollably. We use they as a subject, laugh as intransitive verb, uncontrollably as adverb. ओके, तो दे लाफ्ट अनकंट्रोलेबली, तो यहाँ पर भी कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है और ये सेंटेंस विदाउट एन ऑब्जेक्ट कंप्लीट हो रहा है, इसलिए ये इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब है। वी टॉक्ड फॉर आवर्स. We talked for hours. We use we as subject, talked as intransitive verb, for us as adverbs. Okay, तो ये सेंटेंस भी विदाउट एन ऑब्जेक्ट कंप्लीट हो रहा है। तो आई होप स्टूडेंट के आपने जो चीज़ क्लियर करना चाह रहे थे कि ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब वो होते हैं जिन्हें कंप्लीट करने के लिए सब्जेक्ट भी चाहिए, ऑब्जेक्ट भी चाहिए, और वो अपना सेंस जो क्लियर करते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट क्लियर करते हैं। और जो इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब होते हैं उन्हें किसी भी डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है और वो विदाउट एन ऑब्जेक्ट अपना सेंस, अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्लियर कर देते हैं। तो इसकी एग्जाम्पल भी मैंने आपको दी। आई होप कि आपको समझ आया होगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, लाइक, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब।